Hello and welcome back. This is Steve of Bucks Coins and welcome to the channel. This is a Strike Your Own, and it is the first Strike Your Own of the 2024 year 2024. We have here a £1 12-sided coin. We have all the specifications here, and we have the portrait here, if we can get in a bit on it. You have the portrait there of Charles III, and the year is 2024. On the other side we have the 3 interlinked C's. Now the 3 interlinked C's is Charles III, and if we go in on the coin itself, as you can see, this is, because it's a 2024 coin, so therefore it is the 3 interlinked C's here for Charles III is on this third of the coin. We have the 2 B's, which means say this is the £1 coin. It's a 12-sided coin. It's the £1 coin. It is a definitive coin from the 2024 set. When I first heard that this was going to be the coin, I thought, well, I've only just done the salmon a little while ago. That is true, but this is a new year. This is 2024. This is the first Strike Your Own of 2024. I'm sorry about that, a little bit of a wobble I lent on the table. This coin, I do like the £1 coin. I think it's a very good coin. This is probably one of the better coins in the series. The 2 I don't particularly like are the salmon and the £2 Flowers of the Nation. I think that's a bit iffy, it's just a redesign of what used to be on the £1 coin, and it wasn't very good design on the £1 coin, to be honest. So, however, this is the first £1 coin that's been the Strike Your Own for quite a while. It's normally either been £2 or 50p coins over the past 3 or 4 years. And this is the first time that it's been a £1 coin, as I say, for a few years now. As I say, I like this particular coin, and I think the overall design concepts of the definitive sets for the back end of 2023 and in the 2024 definitive sets are superb. Apart from the 2 coins I mentioned, they're just my own personal thing, so by all means have a chat with me in the comments with me about it. It's just my own personal choice. You're entitled to yours, and I'll respect you for having your own choice should you decide to show it in the comment field. Right, so that ends my review of this coin. I do like it. I like it a lot, and I think it's a good Strike Your Own. I believe the next Strike Your Own is going to be sometime in mid-February, to end February, and it's going to be the Tyrannosaurus Rex, from what we understand, which is the 50p that came out towards the end of last year. So that will be a 2024 strike. Was it a 2024 strike? I think the Tyrannosaurus Rex probably was one of the coins that struck with 2024 on it. So the next 3 Strike Your Owns could well be, if the Tyrannosaurus Rex is the next coin, then the next 3 coins will be the Tyrannosaurus Rex, the Diplosaurus and the Stegosaurus. Could well be those 3 that will take us up until the middle of the year. I am hoping that one in November, just before the Christmas Strike Your Own, which is likely to be another snowman, I'm hoping that they do the Winston Churchill coin to celebrate his 150th year of his birth. Now the reason why I say that is because if the rumours that Change Checker is saying to us and Westminster, the Winston Churchill £2 coin is not going to be released as a standalone bunk pack. If that is so, the only way you'll get it is either in the annual set itself or within the Change Checker commemorative annual set, blue carded one. So I've got a sneaking suspicion that in November, or sometime around that time of the last strike around before the Christmas strike around, could well be the Winston Churchill £2, because it will make it that rare, because there are not that many, because it's not been released as a individual coin from the series according to Change Checker and Westminster. If you don't believe me, go to the site and have a look at the annual set. It says it will not be released as an individual coin. Now that may well be as it stands at this moment in time. Will it be come November? I don't know. But if it does, could you imagine how rare that £2 strike your own would be if they did it for Winston Churchill in November for his birthday, or the anniversary of his birth? That would be cause such a furore, and I would love that to happen. But that's looking into the future. Be nice to look back and see if I'm right about it being a short-lived strike your own in November and early December. In November before the strike your own for the Christmas strike your own comes into being, which over the last few years has been a snowman. I can't, I'm surprised they're still going with that, but it's become a tradition now to a certain extent that the Christmas coin will be a snowman. Okay, well I'll love you and leave you at this point and say to you, if you enjoyed this video, please could you give me the thumbs up. It doesn't cost you anything. Also, I am doing 5 videos a week as a minimum, normally 6 over the past few weeks, so I'll be alternating between 5 and 6 videos a week over the next few months and possibly the rest of this year. I hope that if you've enjoyed this video, if you haven't already subscribed to the channel, you would think about doing so. I aimed for 250 subscribers last year and ended up with around about 270. I'm looking for a minimum of 425 this year, so I'm looking at another 175 from my target last year, which is just above the 150 I went for last year. I'd very much like you to help me to get there if you would, and let's keep the channel growing. If you're having a hunt, I hope you have a successful one and you find the coins you're looking for. If you're buying coins, then I hope you can buy the coins you want for the price you want to pay. And until we meet up again on this channel, which I hope will be not too far into the distant future, from me, thank you for viewing this video and bye bye. Ta-ra now.